Ever wondered how to make the perfect eggplant kebab? Welcome to the world of Arab cuisine, where the humble eggplant transforms into a delightful kebab. This dish has won hearts across the globe with its unique blend of smoky eggplant and succulent minced meat. All accentuated by a symphony of spices, it's not just about the taste, but also the nutrition that this dish brings to your table. So if you're ready for an exciting culinary adventure, stay tuned to learn how to prepare this delicious and nutritious dish from scratch. Before we dive into the cooking process, gather all the necessary ingredients. The star of this dish is 2 medium-sized eggplants, the canvas for our flavorful filling. For the filling, we'll need about 250 grams of minced beef, a flavorful foundation that's going to blend beautifully with our other ingredients. You'll also need 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to add a savory depth to the filling. Freshness is key in this recipe, so we'll also be using 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Our spice blend will consist of 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin and ground coriander. These spices will give our kebab a distinct aromatic flavor. Add in 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper for a bit of heat. Season according to your taste with salt. The zest and tang of half a lemon's juice will brighten up our kebab. Lastly, we'll need some olive oil for grilling. Now, with all the ingredients in place, we are ready to start cooking. The first step is to prepare the eggplant. This succulent vegetable is the star of our kebab, so we'll want to treat it with care. Start by thoroughly washing the eggplant to remove any dirt or residue. Once clean, pat it dry with a soft cloth or paper towel. Now it's time to slice our eggplant. Using a sharp knife, cut the eggplant into long, thin slices, about 1 centimeter thick. These slices will form the delicious, smoky base for our kebab. But before we move on, there's one more step. We'll want to draw out any excess water from the eggplant to ensure it grills nicely. Sprinkle the slices with a bit of salt and let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The salt will draw out the water, enhancing the eggplant's natural flavors and ensuring a crisp, delectable texture. With the eggplant prepared, let's move on to the meat. Next, we will prepare the meat mixture. Start by taking the minced beef, which should be fresh and of high quality. To this, we add the finely chopped onion and garlic. These will give our kebabs a wonderful aromatic depth. Next up is the parsley, a staple herb in Middle Eastern cuisine, known for its vibrant color and fresh, slightly peppery flavor. Now it's time for our spices: ground cumin, coriander, and black pepper. Cumin and coriander lend an earthy and sweet flavor, while black pepper adds a touch of heat. Don't forget to season with salt to taste. To bring everything together, we squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This adds a tangy note that complements the richness of the meat beautifully. The crucial part here is to massage all these ingredients well, ensuring that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the meat. This will make our kebabs wonderfully flavorful from inside out. Now that our meat mixture is ready, it's time to assemble the kebabs. The final step is assembling and cooking the kebabs. Let's bring our delicious creation to life. Start off by taking a slice of the eggplant that we've prepared earlier. Place a small amount of the seasoned meat mixture at one end of the slice. Now here comes the fun part. Roll the eggplant slice around the meat, shaping it like a cigar. Make sure it's snug and secure. Once it's nicely rolled up, secure it with a skewer, going straight through the center. It's just like threading a needle, only tastier. And now that our kebabs are assembled, it's time to bring some heat. Heat your grill or electric griddle to a medium temperature. Lay the kebabs on the heated grill. You'll want to turn them occasionally, ensuring they cook evenly. The aroma of grilling meat and eggplant will soon fill your kitchen, a promise of the mouth-watering meal that's to come. Keep a watchful eye as they grill. You're looking for the meat to be thoroughly cooked, with a beautiful golden brown crust on the outside. The eggplant should be tender and infused with the flavors of the meat and spices. When they're cooked to perfection, remove them from the grill. Now it's time to plate up. Serve the hot eggplant kebab with Arabic bread and a fresh salad. The combination of the warm, savory kebab with the cool, crisp salad is a match made in culinary heaven. And there you have it, a healthy, delicious meal that's sure to impress. Enjoy this healthy and delicious meal.